Employee expectations at Yard Techs.
1. Arrive on time and ready to work. Punctuality and preparation set the tone for our entire company. Respect time and always understand we are each a gear in a larger mechanism. We must all be on time for the operation to flow. 2. Dress appropriately and safely. Wear the proper uniform and protective gear. Do not come out of uniform. 3. Maintain a positive attitude. A can-do spirit fosters teamwork and a supportive work environment. It's contagious. A negative attitude will not be accepted. 4. Demonstrate initiative. Be proactive with identifying and completing tasks. At no point should you be standing around. At no point should your trainer be working and you are not. 5. Follow instructions carefully. Listen closely and execute directions accurately. Attention to detail amongst our clients is critical. Carry out instructions exactly as they are told. 6. Work hard, work fast, work smart. Everyone is expected to give max physical effort. This is not a relaxing time. Work smart and efficient, not fast and sloppy. 7. Ask questions and seek clarification. Inquire when unsure about anything. 8. Respect equipment and materials. Treat all tools and equipment like you are the one paying for it. Nothing is thrown around. Carelessness is not acceptable. 9. Be ready to work. When the vehicle pulls up on a property, be ready to get out and start immediately. If you are in the passenger seat, on arrival you will have PPE on and ready to go. In the morning, show up fed, rested, with water, with your PPE ready to move. 10. Complete courses quickly. Complete all required courses early. If you find yourself waiting around, open a new course. Don't rush through the course. Expect to be asked questions about every course you do, including this one. If you need to do the same course 10 times, then do it. 11. Stay off your personal phone. When on the clock, do not check social media, answer text messages, phone calls, or use your phone for any personal matters other than a true emergency. 12. Keep vehicles clean. A neat vehicle saves time, reduces hazards, and promotes professionalism. 13. Be flexible and adaptable. Aim to smoothly handle unexpected changes. 14. Demonstrate problem-solving skills. Find effective solutions. Be resourceful. Don't wait to be given every answer. 15. Seek professional growth. Get involved during the training process by completing courses, reading landscape materials, asking questions, and expanding your knowledge on the subject. 16. Clock in, out on time. Do not miss clocking in and out, and don't try to cheat the company by clocking in a minute or two early. You will be identified if you try to cheat. 17. Speak up. If you are unclear, need assistance, broke something, lost something, etc., speak up. We need to get you in and out of training ASAP.